holds purpose, and every creature plays a role in the delicate balance of the wilderness. Through patient observation and the lens of a camera, we explore these untouched worlds, from the smallest insects to the soaring birds that command the skies. We follow the rhythm of the forest, the whisper of the wind, and the beauty hidden in blooming petals. This channel is dedicated to capturing those rare and remarkable moments, a celebration of wildlife, nature, and the silent poetry that surrounds us. Welcome to Alive Worldwide, a journey into the wild where beauty exists everywhere, if you only take the time to see it.
Bird is a weaver, one of nature's most skilled architects, known for its intricate nest building using grass and twigs. Thread by thread, the weaver begins. With nothing but instinct and a beak full of grass, he builds a home, a promise, a masterpiece. Each strand is placed with care, woven into a cradle that will one day hold new life. In the quiet rhythm of nature, architecture becomes art. Thanks for watching with us here at Alive Worldwide. In our next episode we'll be showing mudmasters, swallows and martins shaping homes from mud. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel to enjoy more of this episode.